Okay, we're back with the Chender Strat, the purple burst, and try to do a little demo. I tuned it up. Basically, came from the factory, set up. I worked on the action somewhat. The neck relief was good, but the action was quite high for my style. What I like. The other observation is the pickups are, what you'd call vintage sounding. They're pretty weak for my taste. I definitely like a hotter pickup, but they're usable. They're Strat pickups for sure. They're Strat sounding. Middle position. What is that? Fourth position. And then bridge pickup. Bridge might have to get lowered a little bit. It seems like it's got a little hotter and a little much more in output than the other ones. But yeah, let's try some distortion. What else can we do here? Something like that. Yeah. I don't really know that song, so please forgive me. But yeah, overall, I mean, it plays pretty nice. I probably still have to do a little more adjustment on the action, just a tad high here and there. But I mean, you know, pickups, like I said, they're a little weak, but they're usable. But yeah, not bad overall. And the tremolo, you know, I'm not much on these Strat style 6-point tremolos. I'm more of a Floyd Rose guy, but it works because, you know, these tuning stability is always an issue, but it works. I'm sure I'm totally out of tune now. Actually, not that bad, surprisingly. And yeah, a couple more points on the guitar. The neck inlays, these stars are actually really nice. They did a really nice job with that. The paint, I was hoping it would be a little more purple than what it is. It's kind of, you know, it's purple, but it's not like bursting with purple. And even the black on the outer edge is kind of, I was hoping for more of a black to a really bright purple transition. The black isn't even that black on the edges. It's, you know, it's there, but it's very ghosted in. It's not as deep and nice of a transition as I was hoping. But otherwise, yeah, I mean, not a bad little Strat style guitar. And for the price, I mean, you can't beat it with a stick, as they say. Take care.